In today's video, I'm going to teach you some invaluable command line tools that can help in troubleshooting, maintaining, and optimizing your Windows computer. These commands can be real lifesavers when dealing with networking issues, monitoring system performance, or simply managing your files and processes more efficiently. First up is the ipconfig all command. This is a great tool for checking out the details of every network adapter on your system. Imagine you're experiencing some network troubles. Using this command can give you a thorough overview of your IP configurations, DNS settings, MAC addresses, and DHCP status. It's like taking a virtual tour of your network settings, offering clues on where an issue might lie. Moving along, the netstat anno command is next. This command unveils all active network connections along with their corresponding process IDs. A sneaky way to keep an eye out for any suspicious connections that might be hogging your bandwidth or compromising security. If something doesn't look quite right, this command will likely show it. Let's not forget tasklist SVC. This is particularly useful when you're trying to diagnose service-related problems. It lists out all running processes and reveals which Windows services they are hosting. Essential information when a process is acting out, and you need to pinpoint its origins. Now, should you encounter a frozen process, the taskkill PIDF command is your go-to. This command allows you to force disable any unresponsive application using its process ID. Grab the PID from Task Manager or through the tasklist command we just discussed, and you'll be able to swiftly terminate those pesky frozen processes. If your system feels a bit off, consider running SFC scannow. The system file checker scans and repairs corrupted Windows system files, essential if you're dealing with unexplained crashes. Just run this command in an administrative prompt and let it do its thing. Having issues with file integrity? chkdsk will check and fix file system errors on your C drive. If you're noticing files acting strangely or unexpected crashes occurring, this tool can help clear things up. Keep in mind, it may schedule to run on your next reboot. For those worried about privacy, chkdsk securely wipes free space on your drive, making sure deleted files can't be recovered. This process can be lengthy, especially on larger drives, but it's an essential step for maintaining privacy after file deletions. Files mysteriously hidden? The command attribs_hsd recursively removes system and hidden attributes from files. Handy if, after some removable drive mishaps, your files are out of sight. If you need to compare the contents of two text files, fc file1.txt file2.txt will become your best friend. It highlights line-by-line differences, perfect for spotting configuration discrepancies quickly. Enter robocopy mirzxash_r2w5 when you need a robust backup solution. It mirrors directories, survives interruptions, and helps maintain file structure. Perfect for safeguarding important documents. When you're ready to speed up your command line experience, tasky history can show recent commands. You can also create command shortcuts or macros to automate repetitive tasks. The clip command allows you to send the output of any command straight to your clipboard. For instance, copying long lists of IPs or system logs becomes effortlessly quick. Finally, for laptop owners, powercfg battery report is a gem. It generates a comprehensive battery usage and health report, outputting an HTML file you can open in your browser. This report can help extend the life and efficiency of your device's battery. And there you have it. These command line tools can be your allies in troubleshooting and optimizing your system like a pro. Happy computing!